Italy's, and today I'm going to be showing you all about my dog, Rocky. So, fun fact, I live with my mom, my cousin, and my second cousin, and this is my cousin's dog. But we all pretty much take care of him and stuff. So, I'm pretty much just playing with him right now, and he's just so adorable. I slept with him last night. He's so cute. Where? Rocky. Right. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Yes, I'm gonna get you. 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 See, if I run around, he'll start chasing me and start running around too. And I can chase him. Look who's gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Aww, poor thing. I know, right? What, no kissies? No kissies? No? Mwah. Rocky, no. No. Good boy. Oh, he's so cute. Well, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show him. Alright, let's do a little bit of a house tour since we're here. This is my mom's desk. This is a little Lego dinosaur I made out of miniature Legos. I still have more miniature Legos. So this is the patio. That's my moped. This one year last year for Halloween, me and my dad, we spray painted it for like steampunk look. I have a lot of my stuff out there. You can see half of my bike and stuff. Yeah, this is the kitchen. These are our doors for the kitchen. I don't know why they're here. They've just always been there. This is the living room. Fun fact, I've actually, my grandparents used to live here, so a lot of the events and stuff, or when we would come over, we would come here and stuff to see them. So yeah, so this is my sewing machine. So this is the kitchen again, microwave, sink, my little Lego figure right there, right here. That's actually a miniature kitchen because my cousin, he had one. And I remember us always playing with it, and he wanted me to have it, so I accepted the offer. We have some food. My all-time favorite, all butter loaf cake, aka pound cake. Love that stuff. This is the setup from earlier, my earlier video. Yeah. This is the pool/ping pong table because you put these on there. That one over there, and you can play some pretty cool ping pong. See, right here is the thing that goes on there, on the sides. See, I have one right here, because it's pretty much just like you put it on any table and stuff. Maybe not a round table, but yeah. So here's the pool table. Here's one stick. Here's the other 3 ones. These are the 2 broken ones. There's a giant chair. There's my dog. This is the front door rug my dog has previously peed on numerous times. Hallway. Boys' bathroom. Joshua's room. Xavier's room, and my room. I'm not going to show you my room because my mom is sleeping in there. So, yeah, can't really show you that. But that's pretty much the house tour. Maybe I'll do a room tour for fun. Chandelier. So, yeah. This house does kind of have a lot of memories. Our backyard is pretty big. We also have a little area out here I forgot to show you. Over there is where we do our laundry, right there. There's like a washing machine stuff and a dryer. There's my cousin Joshua's car, the owner of my of his dog. Yep, Rocky. So yeah, actually these chairs right here go out there. We are still hoping to get some chairs. That's our little grill. That's the grill area. So yeah. And actually on the other side of this, like that right there, there's actually this little garage area. And there's like a room in there and stuff where you can do some work, you know, some hard work. Woo. So yeah. That's pretty much my house tour slash dog video. Here's my pushy little puppy now. Come here, Rocky. Can I have kisses? I can't have kisses. No, no kisses. Rocky kiss. Oh yes. No, you don't. No, okay. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Here's my face. Did you miss it? No, just me. Okay. Well, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in my last video, I did not say like, share. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. So please do so. So bye.